are back in my keto kitchen, and today I'm making a bacon cheddar ranch dip. Now this is great. It's still summertime, so there are barbecues, cookouts. This is great to bring. The holidays are coming up. It'll be a great dip to bring to holiday parties, something that you can still enjoy. I'm making this because I started crocheting again after 30 years of not crocheting. I learned at the age of 7 when my mom taught me to crochet and knit and embroider and all that, like a good little Italian girl. I knew how to do it all. So I've just gotten back into crocheting, and I meet up with these women every other Sunday, and they all bring food, and I'm the only keto, so I'm like, I can't really eat most of what they bring, and it's hard for me to think of what to bring that people will enjoy but still be keto, and this is one of them. So I'm excited because this is what I'm bringing to my next crochet group. So you start off with 16 ounces of sour cream. And to that you add 1 ounce of ranch mix and 3 ounces of bacon bits. I make my own ranch seasoning because the store-bought has dextrose and sugar and crap in it. So I make my own. I'll link to the recipe. And the bacon bits are they're just real bacon, and I got them at Walmart. So this is the bacon bits and the ranch, 1 ounce of ranch. And they probably say 1 ounce because that's what the packet is, but I'm not using the packet. And then you add 1 cup or 4 ounces of shredded cheddar. So I like to shred my own. The store-bought kind has some starches in it. Since this is going to a bunch of non-keto people, I just bought the packaged stuff. So you just mix this all together. Make sure the ranch dressing is all mixed in. I think this would probably be better made a few hours ahead of time, or maybe even a day ahead of time, to get all the flavors to mix in. I don't have a day to wait, and I didn't make any ahead of time, so I'll just be tasting this now. So the way that I like to do it, for me, I have some pork rinds. And another favorite way for me to do dips is sliced cucumber. So taste it with some sliced cucumber. That is really good. And we don't eat dairy that often, but sometimes it's okay. Oh, it tastes so good. And I like it with both the cucumber and the pork rinds. The pork rinds give it a little extra crunchiness. Sliced cucumber to me gives it like a fresh taste. So they're both good for your next party, get together, football parties. That's coming up too. Something you can bring that you can enjoy. Just bring some pork rinds or vegetables for you to dip in, and let everybody dip in with their chips. So enjoy.